we will need to use standard blocks for this key. There is a groove under the standard blocks. Please install the standard blocks into the automobile key jaw with the groove inwards. After installation, please check if the standard blocks are fit into the jaw well. If yes, you can go to the next step. Click Search, input Toy43 and select 903 to enter the key data page. Fix the original key on the automobile jaw shown in the figure. This is tip-align key. Please make sure the key tip to reach the top line of the jaw, and the standard blocks should be still fit well after fix the original key, otherwise it will affect the decoding and cutting accuracy. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings, then click Decode to decoding. After decoding is done, please fix a new key blank on the automobile jaw shown in the figure. The key tip should reach the top line of the jaw and the cutter should be a 1.5 mm cutter. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings, then click Cut to start cutting. All cutting is done. Please clean the shavings and test that the new key works well.